With the versatile Woodsman hot saw, you can cut small logs, bigger logs, even 2 logs at once. Make lap siding. Cut 1x4s, 2x4s, 4x6, 2x10s. Decorative wood. Unedged boards. Also log cabin logs, 3-sided round on the outside and flat on the inside. Cut fence posts and fence boards. If you can think of it, you can cut it on the Woodsman hot saw. Setup is easy. Simply pull the mill into place. Unhook from your vehicle, and with the help of a level and the jack stands, level the mill. Once the mill is level, you can remove the wheels for easier access to the saw. Then load your log with the provided log loader. Once the log is loaded and dogged into place, you're ready to saw. But before we do, let's look at some of the features of the Woodsman hot saw. Shown here is the gravity feed chain bar lube and the water drip system. Here's the variable speed forward and reverse electric drive. Power up and down. Change your bar height at the push of a button. Sharpen the chain right in place. And finally, the power is provided by a 23-horse Briggs Vanguard engine. Now put the lumber return in place and let's start that engine. Here's taking the first cut to flatten the top of the log. The log is turned 180 degrees and you flatten the second side and the third side. And finally the fourth side is sawn, giving you a squared up big beam. Next we saw it into cants, here 4 inches thick. And another 4-inch thick cant. The lumber return makes bringing the heavy boards back much easier. Once all the log is sawn into cants, they're stood on edge and sawn into finished product. Here 4x4s. A layer of 2x4s. More 4x4s. When we started with this log, it was 17 inches in diameter, and we sawed all this lumber out of it. It includes 9 4x4s, 4 2x4s, and 1 2x10. When you're done sawing, hook it back up and tow it to your next log pile or the next job. The Woodsman hot saw. Versatile, affordable, we can cut it.